Hey guys, welcome back to the channel here at DTI Information Network. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about which personal checking account you should consider having. Now, in our channel, we usually talk about how to build up your personal credit, get business credit, and then get the bank's products to acquire assets like cash flowing businesses, also real estate. Well, you're going to need to have a relationship with a bank that's going to allow you to be able to take advantage of some of their products. And Navy Federal is one of the banks that I highly recommend that you build out a relationship with. The very first thing you're going to have to do in building out a relationship with Navy Federal is getting one of their personal checking accounts. Now, they have about 5 different personal checking accounts that you can attain, but some of us will not qualify for some of the other ones, and some of us will qualify for all of them. I'm going to be talking to you guys about which ones might work best for you and which one I think is the best. We're going to then graduate in the later videos in talking about their business checking account, because ultimately that's what I want you guys to have, and I think it's going to be the best for you to have if you're looking to build a good, solid relationship with Navy Federal. But the very first thing you need to do is get one of their personal checking accounts. So we're going to go ahead out with further ado and start showing you which checking accounts are that they have and which ones that I think will be best for you. All right, so here we go, and stick with me. Also, if you do like this video and you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. We're looking to keep providing lots of value to you, and we want to make sure this channel can get to as many people as possible. It helps the algorithm, believe it or not, when you hit the like button and then also when you subscribe. So if you've been coming and seeing some of these videos and you haven't subscribed, now is a good time to just hit the subscribe button and then also hit the like button, hit the thumbs up like button, just letting the algorithm know that this is the kind of content that needs to be pushed out to the rest of the world. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and look at the different checking accounts that Navy Federal has to offer on the personal side. All right, so here we are, guys. We are on the Navy Federal site. I'm going to start showing you the different personal checking accounts that they have to offer. So it's important to distinguish if you are an active duty military, reserve, or retired, or if you no longer serve. If you are not active duty, you are going to be less likely to qualify for all of their checking accounts. And if you are active duty, there are some special perks that you're going to get from some of the other checking accounts. Now, every single checking account that they have is going to allow you to have a Navy Federal debit card with zero liability protection. It's also going to come with 30,000 ATMs throughout the United States and Canada. You're going to get checking protection options. You're going to get no monthly service fees, all dividends credit monthly. You're going to get digital banking with mobile deposits and bill pay. I'm not sure if you guys have banked with other banks that do not have mobile deposits, but I can tell you when you have mobile deposit, it is so efficient and so efficient. It helps out so much when you can just take a snap picture and deposit your check and not have to go into to a bank to be able to deposit that check. So this is a really great feature that they offer here. They also have bill pay, and you can also get your personal checks as well. Now, the first checking account they have to offer is for active duty or retired military individuals, where you can get their free active duty checking account. What I like about this checking account is that if you do a direct deposit, you're able to get your money 1 day earlier. So this is a great feature that they have to offer for all active duty members. They also have the ATM fee rebates that go up to $240 a year. Some of the other ones have this as well. We're going to go over those. I will let you know that it's $10. It's $10 a month in the ATM rebates, and you get this. It's basically what it is it's a refund from your ATM charges. So it's a really great feature. And then you'll see that as far as their dividend rates, it's 0.05% on the APY annual per year. And then also the dividend rate is 0.05 that you're going to get in money back from money that you have deposited in your account. And then you're able to get that monthly. So they're going to take the average of what so if you started your checking account on the 5th, then they're going to take the average that you have in there and then give you that on the 1st of the month. So that's a really good feature as well. It's not that high. I will show you some of the other ones that are a little bit higher, and that's why I like the last one that I'm going to talk to you guys about the best. So this also has no monthly service fees. So this is a really great checking account as well for no monthly service fees, no minimum balance required, and then you get free personalized checks. So very, very good for active military. So for those of you that do not qualify as an active military, they do have the free easy checking account. Also, it's going to give you the 0.05% and at the AP with the APY and the dividend rate. Now, this is just a good one to have. You don't have a monthly balance requirement on this one either, and you don't have a monthly service fee as well. This is probably one of the ones that everybody gets when they first open it up. Now, it will require a direct deposit, but I highly recommend that everybody who gets a checking account does get a direct deposit when you're trying to build out your relationship with Navy Federal anyway. So there's ones that I'm going to show you guys a little bit later that do not require the direct deposit, but I personally think that if you're going to get a checking account with Navy Federal, you're going to build out a better relationship if you have direct deposit. So this one has the checking protection options as well. And then they have one for 14 to 24-year-olds, and this is called the free campus checking account. And it has a lot of the same features as well, with no monthly service fee and no minimum balance requirement. And it also has the ATM fee rebates of up to $120 a year. But you do have to be between 14 years old and 24 years old to qualify for this one. Now, if that isn't it, this is the one that I think a lot of people also get when they first get their account, and this is the free everyday checking. The difference between the free everyday checking and the free easy what's it called, the free easy checking, is that you can see that the APY and the dividend rate is a little bit different. On the free everyday, it's only 0.01%. And this one here does not require a deposit, no opening deposit requirement, no minimum balance requirement, and no monthly service fee. So it's a real hassle-free, easy checking account to be able to have. And this one here, you do not actually have to have direct deposit either. So because you don't have to have the direct deposit, that's something that sets you aside from the easy checking that requires you to have direct deposit. So if you're in a situation where you cannot afford to do that, this would be the checking account for you. Now we talk about the one that I like the most. This is the one that I really like the most, that I think that if you're in the position to do so, you should definitely get. This is their flagship checking account. I'm going to go over some of the different features about their flagship checking account and what the things that I like about it the most. The one thing that I do like about it is, if you can look here, you can look at their dividend rates is 0.35% to 0.45%, which is a lot higher than the other checking accounts. And their APY, their average percent per year, is 0.35% and 0.45%, a lot higher. There's no monthly service fee if your average daily balance is $1,500 or more. So you're going to need to keep at least $1,500 or more in this account in order for you not to get a service fee. All right. So this is important to know. I highly recommend that you do your best to keep $1,500 inside of this account. You don't want to be getting a service fee. I'm going to later on show you guys, when we get the business checking account, one of the benefits that you can actually do to keep your monthly balance at least $1,500 or more to satisfy that. So follow me as we talk about the business checking account a little bit later. So this is a really, really good checking account here. And what I like about this checking account is that you'll earn a lot more money if you have money sitting in your account. So you're going to be earning money every single month. They pay out on the first of the month, every single month when you have money in there, and it's compiled daily. Okay, so the things you're going to need to open your account is just going to be your social security number, your driver's license or government ID, your current home address, and then how you're going to fund the account, the $5. So it can be in the form, like I said, in a credit card, or if you have a bank account with the routing number and checking account number, you can do it that way as well. Very simple, very easy to get yourself started. I also want to let you guys know that they do have the minor accounts for anybody who's under 18. You, as a guardian, can fill out a separate application in helping them be able to open up their account as well. So please check the site for that and getting your family members started as soon as possible. Okay, guys, so there you have it. That is the 5 checking accounts that you can get with Navy Federal. So this is the fundamentals that you're going to need to get when you're starting to build out your relationship with Navy Federal. It is so simple to opening up one of their checking accounts. You can literally just do it over the phone. You can call and open up a personal checking account over the phone and deposit no more than about $5 to get your account started. So go ahead, get your account started. You can actually fund opening up your account using one of your credit cards. So if you have money with the credit card, you can actually use that and fund your checking account to start opening your account. There's not a lot of banks that do offer that, and it will not be a cash advance for you as well. So definitely something to consider. If you have a checking account, if you have a credit card that you are trying to hit the sign-on bonus with, that might be a gem for you to be able to go and open up your Navy Federal using that technique, and then it might help you to getting your sign-on bonus. So something to consider, something to think about. All right. So thank you guys for stopping by, and I will see you on the next video. Do not forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, because we're going to keep giving you more information and more gems. And in one of the later videos, I'm going to be talking to you guys about their business checking accounts. And that's going to be the progression from your personal checking accounts and the things that you're going to need to know about that. All right. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.